Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add or link bank account manually on your PayPal account. So I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let us get started. First of all, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.paypal.com, and once you're on the official site, tap on the PayPal in the top left corner of your screen and then log into your account. So in order to log into your account, you must enter your credential that includes your phone number or an email address and then your password. So once you're done entering all of your information, tap on login, which is right at the bottom. Once you're logged into your account, just next to money there is an option as more, just tap on it. After that, on the other interface you have an option as link a bank, so then you have to tap on it. First of all, you'll be asked to select the account type, and then on the other interface you have to sign in into your online banking account. Once again, you have to tap on link a bank account, and after that you have to enter all the information that is asked. And once you're done adding a bank account to your PayPal, then all you have to do is you have to wait for at least 2 to 3 days in order to get notified that you've successfully linked your bank account. And once you're notified that the bank account has been linked to your PayPal account, first of all you have to open a PayPal account, and then right on top you need to tap on wallet. And after that you have to tap on the bank account that you've recently connected in order to confirm. And after that, on the other interface you have to tap on send and request payment in order to enter a small deposit. And once you receive the deposit, all you have to do is you have to enter it right over here, and after that you have successfully linked your bank account to your PayPal account. So that is how you can link your bank account to your PayPal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.